welcome to the Hindustan Times Shine HR Conclave, Mumbai. Today we are joined by Mr. Nishchay Suri, Partner Management Consulting, Head of People and Change, KPMG. Thank you, Mr. Nishchay, for joining us. So, does your organization take steps to ensure that diversity awareness percolates down to the level of employee, and in what ways?
So our organization in particular pays a lot of attention to celebrate diversity. And we have a strategy in place that allows for this diversity to be included at the workplace. Specifically, as we look for celebrating diversity, the message is clear that this is an organization where we respect differences, where we celebrate differences, and we allow those uniqueness, those unique strengths that people bring to blossom within the organization.
Yeah, so in your approach to enhancing your own functions, in that is HR role, in understanding of different aspects of diversity, so how would you go about that?
Well, it all begins with identification and understanding of talent. What is it that is unique about an individual? What are his or her strengths? What background does the individual come from? What experiences has the individual had in his or her previous experience? And to be able to capture that and meaningfully deploy that in a workplace setting. So can you align an individual's aspirations and strengths to their and marry it with their ambition in a workplace?
Yeah, so we have a lot of issues coming in with diversity, right? So has the issue of LGBT cropped up in your organization, and what is your stance on it?
So specifically, I think there are some fundamental issues to check off on. And the way diversity has been interpreted or largely been focused around is gender.
Right.
Male and female.
Right.
But diversity gets limited if you only looked at it in terms of gender diversity.
Right.
There are many other dimensions that need to be addressed, whether it has to do with race, it has to do with working style, it has to do with learning styles, it has to do with sexual orientation. It is important that you holistically address these,
right,
rather than address these in factions.
Right.
Because what does happen as an outcome is then you create divisiveness. You create divisions that limit performance enhancement within an organization.
Right.
And it is only fair, therefore, to create a framework that addresses individuals in their entirety, rather than looking at these factions.
So something related to the issues we had a word about. So have you had to handle situations where a colleague was not accepting of another's diversity? If so, how would you handle it?
The only way to address this is create awareness. To create that awareness, you need to be able to identify what the differences are.
Right.
So spotting talent and identifying uniqueness or identifying differences is the first starting step. To create awareness, then you need to create acceptance. And there are ways of ensuring that an individual's uniqueness needs to be celebrated because it helps build a greater strength within the talent, within the team, right? And 3 is to action it. So to ensure that you're now utilizing that uniqueness and strength in the workplace, and 4, becoming an advocate of diversity at the workplace, where you are a role model and people respect that you are actually encouraging diversity and celebrating that diversity.
Right. So my last question to you, how does your own identity impact your work with a diverse workforce?
So creating an identity with a single identifier. So if I said I'm Nishchay and I'm male, I believe that's limiting.
Right.
But if I said I'm Nishchay, I love singing, I enjoy playing cricket, I truly take inspiration from those that help others.
Right.
I have now built multiple identifiers for myself, which means my own acceptance within the organization may increase. And the possibility of conflict, as you look at male and female, gay and being straight, those dimensions of conflict are reduced substantially.
Thank you so much for
Most
joining
welcome.
us, Mr.
Thank you
Nishchay.
so much.